Hey chickies, I hope you're all doing okay out there. We've got a fun rainbow got a fun rainbow nail art for you. I really hope you like it. Let's get into it. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. So, the polishes I'm using today are from Santorini Sunset and Stereosonic collections. Both of them, I'm using combinations of those polishes from those collections. Links will be in the description. I cannot speak, it's just weird, but a long day. Description box down below, as per usual. So we're starting off with just a couple of coats of your favorite base coat. I already have them on, and then we're going to come in with a small paintbrush and our first color, which is the reddy orange. It's almost like a coral red. It's very, very pretty. And then what we're going to do is paint not the entire nail. We're going to paint sort of wobbly kind of stripes. It's almost like a drip. It's not drips, but it's almost like a rainbow lava. Oh yeah, like rainbow lava, but like lava, but in rainbow colors and all separated, not mixed together. Yeah, anyway, super simple and easy to do. I'm just using an old paintbrush, not one that I kind of care about that much. So it's like a short bristled old paintbrush, and we're just doing it in like rainbow style colors, and you can do any style colors. And so the second color that you paint will follow the same line underneath of the first color you paint, and so on and so on and so on. So we're not painting stripes, we're painting something that looks a little more fluid than that. I hope you understand what I mean. So we're not after perfection, we're not after perfectly straight lines or anything. That's not the point of this. So I think you get what I mean. But so it almost looks like it's moving down the side, down the front of your nail kind of thing. And that's the reason why there's no color, like a portion of your nail stays free of color altogether. So like as you can see, the bit towards my cuticle line, I'm only really painting on 2/3 of my nail. So that's why I think makes this kind of nail art look really, really cool. I am desperate to be cool. Can you see that I'm just like literally trying to be cool every time I do a nail art, hoping that someone will let me in the cool kids club or something. I don't know. Anyway, super simple and easy. Just so we're starting off with that coral red, then we're going to yellow. Obviously it's not 100% rainbow, like there's no orange. And then we're going to green, and then we're going to blue, and then the last color is pink. So definitely not your traditional rainbow, but by all means, if those are the colors that you would like to use, then by all means you do that. I just wanted to put all of these particular colors together. As I said before, the links for all of them will be in the description box down below, as per usual. Now, as you can see from the initial photo that I showed to you, I did this nail art on 3 nails, my index nail, my ring fingernail, and my thumbnail. By all means, if you want to do it on all of your nails or one of your nails, or your toenails, up to you. You don't have to do what I'm doing. As you can see with this one on my index nail, I started well up there. I'm only leaving a very, very small amount of free nail, or free from color nail. This one's more like 3/4, just a little over 3/4 covered in polished, but you can do whichever way you like. It's up to you. So this is just like an idea that you could take home, or you could take to your own nails and then interpret it whichever way you would like to. It's up to you. This is not something that you have to completely copy, or you can. It's up to you, like, you know, free will and all that. Now for my middle nail and my pinky nail, I decided to paint on a few coats of Party Pink from the Stereosonic collection. That is the first colour in the rainbow that we did on the other nails. It really does need kind of three good sort of, or three thin coats to make it completely opaque so you can no longer see that visible nail line. Like you can probably get away with 2, but 3 is best. Absolutely, 3 is best. Now next what we want to do is a little bit of cleanup. There's a teeniest amount of cleanup on the rainbow nails and also a little bit of cleanup on the solid colour nails as well. But it's not very much. For those of you who do enjoy it, enjoy. For those of you who don't, skip ahead now. And once everything is completely dry, you want to go ahead and seal it in with your favourite top coat, as per usual. that's it for this one. I really hope you liked it. Don't forget to go down below the video, click on the links down below. All the details about everything I use will be in the description box down below as per usual. Please don't forget to subscribe and come back next time because more nail art's coming. Thank you so much again for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye, chickies.